Well, hello there. So, I was in need of a mask for a masquerade last weekend, so I created this little thing in here. It is mostly leather crafts, bit of rivets, bit of leather, not much to it. But it was also the very first time I had ever created something like this, so it's mostly improvising, trying random shit out, and just going with the flow. So, let's see how that process looked like. So first I went to find some inspiration. I knew that I had seen some cat masks that I really liked, so started off from there. So let's go and do some shopping. I get too deep sometimes. To get the supplies, I headed to the center of Copenhagen. There's a nice little craft shop for leather where they have all kinds of supplies. So I picked up a big scrap piece of black leather and headed to the workshop. The first step is to create a template. I had studied those cat masks from before and tried to freehand more or less what I imagined the template might have looked like. And then I gave it a bit of a twist with some inspiration from the movie Donnie Darko for some creepy bunny ears rather than cats. I always try to make the most out of my material, so I usually spend quite a bit of time figuring out what's the least wasteful way to place the template on it. Having forgot my utility knife at home, I tried out the X-Acto knife, which was way too flimsy, so I ended up using scissors, which worked perfectly. To get some smooth edges, I used the edge beveling tool. I tried to tape the main part of the mask the same as I had done with the ears, but this seemed to be pretty inefficient, so I just ended up removing it and drawing lines instead. Since the eyes had come out a little bit too small, I marked off an extra centimeter with the caliper and then cut it off. So the eyebrows are there, so it's nice and you can kind of see the expressions, so it's good. Since I'm mostly improvising as I go, it's very important to keep both sides of the mask mirrored up, so the caliper once again is a really useful tool to help you out. And to put it all together, I used a hole punch and a bunch of rivets. So to strap the thing onto my head, I figured I will just make a bit of a belt buckle in the back. So I cut a 2 cm strip of leather to make the strap out of, and then used the hole punch for the bronc pin. Then close it up with a rivet. Due to some bad planning, I ran out of my normal rivets, so I ended up using a screw-in type, which worked out way better in the end. In order to shape the ears a bit, I used a hot air gun. You could also soak the leather in water to make it more malleable, but I did not have the time for that. Before attaching the ears, I clamped it all together temporarily and then tried to figure out visually what would be the best place to put the rivets in. Really happy how it turned out. Had a good time at the party, got a lot of compliments, and yeah, really cool. So thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. See you next time.